For our project, we created a temperature sensor and a photoresistor. This is our open door indicator with this argon, and with this argon, we have a high temperature indicator. They both send feedback to this argon and will turn on these lights off and on. Right here, we have live data of the temperature sensor going on. And then when I open the door, this indicator should turn on and it will send feedback to this argon and turn on one of the LED lights. There it goes. And now I'll remove the temperature sensor, and when I take it out of the freezer, it will get a higher temperature, and the high temperature indicator will go on, and then it will send feedback to this particle argon and the LED will turn on. And there it goes. Awesome. And this is live data